So check it out. Here's my latest project. When I bought the Copper Queen Mercury, this shell was included with it as well. It was in pretty bad shape, so I sanded it all down and I got a coated primer on it. And then I thought I'd put a 1666 motor with a smoke unit in it. Never put one in a Merc. I've done a few of the Commodore Vanderbilts, but it wasn't too bad a project. Actually, it was easier because the motor lines up, the smoke unit lines right up with the chimney hole. You don't have to do any adjusting to the back or the cut into the back plate to set the motor back. It's lined up pretty nicely, and I can show you that. You can see the smoke unit right down there lined up perfectly with it. And I can also show you how I mounted it. And so let's see, we'll get that lined up right there. And I use E7 collapse plates. I don't really use them for anything else. Take them out of my custom paints. So I pound them flat, and then I use a pair of tin snips to cut along the crease lines to get the right width. And I can show you what that looks like. So you can see the shims that I've made. I kind of give them a little S bend there so that they widen out to accommodate the Mercury shell. So let's see if we can hook this back up without too much problem. There we go, we got it. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. I had to kind of Frank and Marx the motor together. I had to raid the spare parts because I'm all out of 1666 motors with all the custom builds I've done with all those duplexes and everything. But I've been able to put one together that runs pretty good, and it's got a pretty good reverse unit in it, and I think the smoke unit works quite well too. So we'll check it out when we see how they go. And I've got some of my favorite cars, the 6-inch silver cars. I've been able to collect a few of them to have a nice train. Get the smoke unit working good. There it goes. And we'll pick the engine up this time. You can see the smoke unit's working really good. Smoke's just pulling out of it now. It goes. Yeah, it's got a good smoke unit in it. Got a 90-degree day here in Corning, New York, so good day to stay down here in the basement where it's nice and cool. It's about 65 down here and work on trains. A little whistle. Wow, that has a really good smoke unit, and I use Mega Steam. I like the cinnamon roll or gingerbread. I say flavor, I mean scent. And I don't recommend eating or drinking the stuff. Alright. Runs great. Now to come up with a paint scheme for it. And if you'd like to see a few more detailed pictures of how I mounted the engine in there, you can go to my Facebook Custom Marx Train page and you can take a look. I'll have everything posted there. But thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.